A sensor that uses an array of lasers to detect objects, vehicles and people and isolates threats from those uninvolved could open up an era of anonymized surveillance. I'm Molly Coffey and I'm with Cepton Technologies at IFSEC International 2019 at the Excel in London, where Cepton are launching the Lidar-powered Vista-Edge Perception Evaluation Kit for the very first time globally. It's the first day of IFSEC. There's a really lively atmosphere. People are interested in finding out about the latest cutting-edge technology on the market. I'm going to speak to Cepton about how Lidar is about to unlock anonymous surveillance. Let's go and take a look. What makes this product so relevant for the security industry?
Yeah, so this is a new type of sensor that gives another way of detecting objects. So we're very familiar with camera, people are very familiar with microwave and radar. The LiDAR gives you something that none of these other sensors give you. It gives you the medium range, very high resolution data. So a lot of questions we get asked here is fence line perimeter security. Can I at 100 meters distance see if somebody goes over the fence or through the fence? With our system giving you about a foot, 2 feet accuracy, you can tell the difference in height, because it's also three-dimensional. So we can tell you if somebody goes over the fence, we can tell you if somebody's throwing packages over the fence. So it gives you that extra sensor on top of what you already have. Yeah, so here we have a standard CCTV camera housing. And if I open this up, this is where we have all our components. So the Vista sensors in the front. That's the thing about our technology. It's a front-facing sensor, it has a 60-degree field of view, so it fits perfectly in the front of a housing and through the normal camera window. In the same time, we have the computer in the box. So this sensor talks to this computer. This is where all the software runs. This runs the perception software, it does the tracking, it does all the processing information, detection, tracking and classification. And the total amount of data that this sends out is really low. So there's actually a Wi-Fi antenna on the side of it. So you can run this antenna to the side of the box and run it out if you want. Or there's a PoE box inside. So the power over Ethernet box is right below the computer. It runs out to the bottom. And that's the whole system. So this does everything, and this is what we call the Vista-Edge. So the Vista sensor with the computer is the Vista-Edge. And that's what we make available at IFSEC, is the evaluation kit of this whole system. That is the Vista-Edge Perception Evaluation Kit. That is what we're launching right here today.
Surveillance and data protection don't always sit well together. But Cepton have discovered a way of using LiDAR technology to provide a solution for the security industry. People quite rightly have had major concerns about the use of facial recognition and the impact on their privacy, but thanks to the Vista-Edge Perception Evaluation Kit, the security industry can finally guarantee better data protection for people, preserving their anonymity. Cepton is pioneering in LiDAR technology across multiple industries, and it's really clear that at IFSEC, the security industry is really interested in this new piece of tech.